In front of me is TCL 20 Pro 5G, and let me show you how to clear browsing data on this device. So at the very beginning you need to locate and open the browser that you are using. In my case it is Google Chrome. Tap on more icon then, and then select history. Here click on clear browsing data, and now you've got basic and advanced options, so just mark those that you would like to apply. So if you would like to, for example, leave your saved passwords and do not get rid of them, just unmark it, but I would like to clear it fully. And then just pick the time range right here. So choose if you would like to remove history from past hour, 24 hours, 7 days, 4 weeks, or all time. I will choose all time, and then tap on clear data. Tap on clear then, and that's it. As you can see, it is no longer here. You can create history from scratch. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.